Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about stem and leaf plot. This is what you see here, and we have to find what is the range of the following stem and leaf plot. It is actually very easy to do. For example, we combine this number with this number and this number with this and so on. So one more time, we combine this number with this number with this and with this. In other words, we can translate this line as following numbers: 11, 12, 15 and 17. Then we have to repeat the same for the next line. We combine stem number with every leaf number, and we are going to get here 20, 21, 23, 24 and 28. Next line we translate as 32 and 39. Next one is going to be 43, 43, 45, 46 and 48. And the last line we translate as 50, 51 and 56. As you see, we converted stem and leaf plot into the ascending string of numbers. And now we have to find a range of these numbers, which is pretty easy. From the biggest number we have to subtract smallest number. So from 56 we have to subtract 11, and we are going to get a range which is 45. And this is going to be our answer. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.